So this is another installment on how we can look at our major pentatonic scale horizontally. Now this is a great way to kind of just feel like we're breaking out of the box of our pentatonic scales, and also just a cool way to run up and down maybe to different positions on our soloing. Now the idea here is always start and end on the root, and then also we're going to be taking groups of 3 strings. Alright, so I'm going to be taking my bottom 3 strings, and then my 2nd through 4th, 3rd through 5th, and then my 4th through 6th. Alright, now we're going to be starting and ending on the root, and I'm going to be doing this example in the key of D. I like D because we tend to work right through the CAGED shapes in the CAGED position, so C, then A, then G, then E, then D, and back to C. But if I were to choose a key like A flat, then all we'd have to do is find the lowest note, or the lowest way that we could play that A flat, which would be G, and then work our way G, E, D, C, A. Alright, so in the key of D, I'm here in my C major pentatonic shape. My root note is found here on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And then it's going to start from the 3rd string and move our way up. C position, A position, G position, E, D, C. Then I'm going to hit the root and then work my way backwards. C, D, E, G, A, C. And hit the root one more time. Next, I'm going to choose my 2nd through 4th string. Here, my root's going to be in the exact same position, both still on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. This I'm going to start at the 4th string. I'm going to go up my C position, up my A position, up my G position, up my E position, up my D position, then finally up my C position, and end on the root. I'm going to work my way backward. G position, A, C, and on the root Next, I'm going to choose my 3rd through my 5th string, in which case my root note is going to be changing to the 5th string, 5th fret. I'm going to be working through my CAGED shapes again, this time only through the 3rd through 5th string. And I'm going to hit my root note, 5th string, 5th fret, go C position, A, G, E, D, back to C. Then I'm going to work my way backwards. Hit my root note again. Next, I'm going to be going through my 6th through 4th string. Here, my root note is going to stay in the exact same position. I'm going to set the exact same place, 5th string, 5th fret. Hit my root note, 6th string through 4th string, C position. 6th string through 4th string on my A position, G position, E position, D position, C position. Hit my root note again, and I work my way backwards. C, D, E, G, A, C. can work this through the minor pentatonic as well, and then also all the 12 different keys in which we're going to be starting at different positions. So maybe we start at the A, or like I said before, like my G for that A flat. So I hope this kind of opens up some doors, breaks out of the box a little bit more, and thanks for watching.